We are in Williamsburg today, and we are going to tour a beautiful renovated 3-bedroom with home office and 3 full bathroom residence at 2 Northside Piers. This building is one of the most popular buildings on the Williamsburg waterfront because of its views and tax abatement. Come on, let's have a look. Welcome to apartment 7J, where a thoughtful, high-end renovation has transformed this residence into one of the most unique homes on the Williamsburg waterfront. Upon entry, you're greeted by an expanded foyer with custom storage solutions that immediately set the tone for the home's intelligent design. Right off the foyer is a full bathroom for your guests. Spanning nearly 2,000 square feet, the sense of space is obvious the moment you step into the expansive living and dining area. The chef's kitchen serves as a centerpiece of the home, featuring Monogram refrigeration, a Viking hood and range, Caesarstone countertops, abundant cabinetry, and an oversized kitchen island designed for gathering and entertaining. Throughout the residence, you'll find wide plank oak flooring, custom millwork, integrated Sonos audio, and exceptional storage solutions. Nearly every room enjoys iconic views of the East River and the Manhattan skyline, including the Empire State Building. The home offers 2 spacious secondary bedrooms, each enjoying water and city views. Adjacent to these bedrooms is a beautifully appointed full bathroom featuring a double vanity, soaking tub, and separate shower. As you continue through the home, you'll find a sleek windowed office with enough room for 2 workstations, an ideal setup for today's flexible lifestyle. The primary suite is both spacious and serene, offering an oversized custom walk-in closet and a beautifully renovated spa-inspired bath, complete with elegant tile work, a dual vanity, and a large glass enclosed shower. Just off the foyer, an additional flexible room can easily function as a den, media room, guest suite, playroom, or second home office, allowing the home to adapt to your needs. Additional conveniences include an upgraded vented washer and dryer and an incredibly valuable 421A tax abatement, resulting in monthly real estate taxes of just $13 per month. Located in one of Williamsburg's premier full-service condominiums, residents enjoy a full-time concierge, an indoor swimming pool, hot tub, fitness center, residence lounge, and direct access to the vibrant North Williamsburg waterfront. Also, only a few blocks away is the incredible Domino Park. Would this layout work for your lifestyle? Let me know in the comments. Well, thank you for coming with me on this tour today. If you have any interest in this property or in Williamsburg in general, please contact me today. All of my information is down below. See you on the next one.